giving a car wash.
Oh, gosh.
That is dirty. YouTube.
The radio is not going to work no more
Yeah.
after this car wash.
You think?
So this is my Toyota. No, this is my Jeep 2015.
Hey, Toyota is in our class. Remember?
What?
Toyota is in our class. Remember? This thing's not gonna work anymore after you're spraying it down like this. You know what? It would have been smarter. And you're spraying me. It would have been smarter. What? No, I'm gonna turn it off. It would have been smarter just to fill up a bucket of soapy water, get a rag and wipe it down, and yeah.
Oh my gosh.
What?
These are my new shoes.
Wait, those are new?
Yeah.
They don't look new now. Oh, now you're flipping it over.
So pour it on the water.
Oh, geez, look on this side. Oh, geez, that is a... Oh, is that a black widow with an egg? No way, look at that. Thing has an egg on its back.
Where? Where are you looking?
Right there, right inside.
Is that a black widow?
Yeah. Let me see.
Aren't those deadly?
Very deadly.
Oh gosh.
And it has an egg on its back. Can you go get your dad and tell him? And don't spray it or it might crack open. Spiders will be everywhere. Go get your dad.